Yo, what up? It's your boy Earl.
And it's me, Bamba.
AKA the Vape Professors. Today we're coming out with a new video for how to build the exoskeleton coils. Okay, in the last few videos we released the change build, how to do it very simply without any complicated machinery. And then we also did the helix coil, which is one of my favorite flavor chasing coils. If you don't know yet, surprise. But now we're going to show you how to do the exoskeleton stitch. Stitching is a process that looks complicated and it gives you those beautiful, nice little weaves. Then again, it's really easy. Let us show you how. Okay, boys and girls, so let's get down to business. This is how you're going to make the stitched exoskeleton. First, you're going to need some regular round wires and Clapton wire. Well, you can use actually anything, but I prefer using a Clapton wire because it's a lot more easier and it's a lot more stable. And of course, your handy dandy Wotofo tools. So first we want to get a tool that's around 1.5 millimeter in diameter. Take note, 1.5 millimeter in diameter. Get some wires. I'm going to be using 23 gauge. I'm going to use about like 12 inches. Okay, like 12 inches of it. Get my cutters. Snip it. I'm gonna make a nano dragon or a nano coil. So you go wrap this as close and as tight. You want to create that kind of Clapton. So as you can see, that's a 1.5 millimeter. Created the loops. Then you decore that. So you put that down for a second. And then you get some Clapton wires, about, let's say 8 inches for a single coil. Now this is the hard part. Okay, as you can see, I need 2 pliers. And what I'm trying to do here is I get this, right? And then I put the Clapton through the center. I make a small twist here at the end just to get them connected. Right. I clamp this down with some pliers, you can see. Right. I get the other side with the other pliers, and then all I need to do is pull, and I pull it as tight as possibly. There you have it. If you can see that, that's how you do a stitch. And to get that perfectly aligned, I'm using my coil rod. You can see it's a 3.5, and I go around with a 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now it's not aligned as perfectly as I want it to. All I need to do is get my pliers and just pull it. Tighten that coil. Right, tighten that coil. Get my cutters. Okay, now I can install this onto my warrior. So boys and girls, if you can see that, right? All you need to do is pull and twist, pull and twist. It should eventually get those stitches aligned, giving you a nice, beautiful looking coil. Look at that out. So a single coil reads out to a 0.13. That's just because I'm using N90 and 90. Okay, let me heat that up. Get that aligned. See? Those nice looking coils. Such a beauty. That's the exoskeleton stitch. And that, boys and girls, is the exoskeleton stitch. Now I hope you guys and girls try it at home. It's really easy. As you can see, I didn't use any kind of complicated machineries. I just used a standard 28 gauge Clapton wire in the core, and I wrapped it with 23 gauge. But for everyone else out there, please use higher gauge wires. The only reason why I'm using these kind of gauges of wires is so you boys and girls can actually see what I'm doing. If I use a thinner gauge, y'all won't be able to see it. Okay? So that's the exoskeleton stitch. I hope you boys and girls enjoyed that, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.